Hi friends, welcome to channel to Z in mining. Friends, in this video we are going to see that in the replacement of MMR 1961, now the OHC code 2020 metallic mines regulation 2026 has been released. Okay, this has been notified in the official gazette on 4th February 2026. Okay, the government is asking the suggestion and objection and any points is from the all the public, okay, within the 45 days, within next 45 days. If anything we are sending means this will be considered by the government of the day, this will be reviewed. Okay, otherwise after 45 days, if, there is no any suggestion, there is no any objection means this will be come under enforcement within 45 days. Okay, this is what they were mentioned here. So as you know that all know that OHC code has been enforced on last 2025 and October or November something. Okay, based on this already released for the mines rules replacement. Okay, this is replacement of mines act, and for the mines rules replacement also is released, and now the MMR replacement also released. Okay, and after that one all the mines rules and vocational training rules, all the combined one also it has been released by the government. Total 3 new things has been released. This one is the fourth one. Okay, um, so okay friends, this is what I want to share with you. So I'm not going to explain the what are the changes they have mentioned here, what are the changes they have taken to here. Okay, because it will take time. Okay, because I have to also read in this and I have to also take a note and I have to share with you all. Okay, that will take time. Okay, before that I want to like that in order to inform you that like this the changes has been came. Okay, so that's what I have taken this video. So you kindly refer this regulation with the comparison of MMR 1961. You please study that what all the changes has been happened, so that it will be useful for your work, day-to-day work. Okay, okay friends, thank you very much. If you like this video, kindly put on like button and also kindly share this video to your mining friends. And if you want to like this mining video, kindly subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.